Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to read a file line by line into a Python list. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So before we go on to checking on the code, what I've done is I've created a folder, and inside that folder I've placed a Python file and a simple .txt file. Within the txt file, I've placed in 3 lines of text. The first line simply says hello world, the next line says my name is Carl, and the third line says welcome to Hackinons. And the output when converted to a Python list is visible down here. Basically, each line is converted to a text of a Python list, and these items are placed together inside the list. So let's see how we will do it using Python code. So first of all, we need to open our files. So to open that, we can normally use the open function, and I'm going to use the context manager. So what I'll do is with open, let's open test.txt, that's the file name, as. So we're going to open the file name as certain file. So let's name it as a file variable. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called as lines, and lines is equal to file dot read lines. So we're using a function created by the text object in Python that says you can read all possible lines and save it inside a Python list. So let me now print that output and show you on the output window what exactly is visible. So basically we got the desired output, but with certain extra text. For example, we got the word hello world, my name is Carl. But as you can see, on every line we are getting this special character, that is escape sequence of /n, because what Python is trying to say that there was a text hello world and then /n was present, which means the text went to the next line, and then there was my name is Carl and so forth. So we need to get rid of this /n from our text. So to do that, what we are going to do is simply again call the variable called as lines, and now we are going to concatenate it using the list method. And what we're going to say is lines dot rstrip, which basically strips all possible special characters from a text for each line in the lines present. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is for each line, we're going to use this rstrip function, which will help us remove the /n from each item inside the list. And now if I run the program, okay, it gave a small error. So let's see what's the error. Okay, so instead of using the variable line, I use the variable lines, and rstrip method is not a method for a list, it's a method for a string. So now things should work fine. And as you can see, now the /n is no more present. All that is present is the text on each line present, and that is converted to data present inside a Python list. So that's it from this really quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.